Tensions are rising between Nigeria and Canada after Canada denied visas to several senior Nigerian military officials, including the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa. The officials were invited to a war veterans event, and while some received visas, others including General Musa were denied, sparking outrage in Nigeria. General Musa called the denial a wake-up call, urging Nigeria to strengthen its sovereignty. National Security Advisor Nuhu Ribadu called the action disrespectful and said Canada can go to hell. However, Interior Minister Olubunmi Tunji suggested reciprocal measures, while Defense Minister Bello Matawalle expressed profound disappointment and demanded a thorough investigation and decisive response. The Canadian High Commission acknowledged the reports, but cited privacy reasons for not commenting on specific visa applications. Government sources expressed frustration, with one immigration officer hinting at retaliatory measures against Canadian nationals. A defense headquarters source confirmed the denial and the trip's purpose, the Invictus program, calling it a national embarrassment. As retired diplomats offered varying opinions, some cited the lack of ambassadors in Nigerian embassy as a contributing factor. Others recalled a similar incident involving General Yakub Gowon in the 2000s. One former ambassador suggested the denial could be due to concerns about human rights and anti-democratic actions. However, human rights lawyer Femi Falana echoed this, mentioning potential allegations of corruption or human rights abuses. He acknowledged Canada's past support for Nigeria, but stressed the need to address human rights issues. However, one government official speculated the size of the delegation might have been a factor. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs said the minister would address the issue later, while the NSA declined further comment, reiterating that the treatment was unfair. However, currently Nigeria is considering its diplomatic options in response to the visa deniers. We'll continue to monitor the story for more news updates. Drop your opinion in the comment section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.